lang naming sabihin na parehong may importanteng roles ang mga Mars at Pars sa pamilya.
Yes. Pero minsan, may mga sitwasyon na merong isang mas lulutang ang superpowers. In certain situations, who you gotta call? Super dad or super mom?
Tignan natin. So, patas ang laban, Mars. 2-on-2 ito. So, magbabanggit kami ng mga situations at kung para sa inyo, this is a job for super dad or a super mom, taas kamay lang ala superhero, diba? Okay. Ayan, to express our answer. Okay.
May matinding sugat ang anak dahil naglaro sa labas. As in matindi. Sino ang dapat maging first responder?
Super dad. Super dad.
Ikaw, Mars, ikaw ba?
Ako, feeling ko ako yun eh. Pero kasi may pagkadad naman kasi ako.
Yun nga, it depends on case-to-case basis. Case-to-case basis.
Case-to-case basis kasi totoo. Pero sa inyo, guys, ikaw.
Ako.
Ikaw ang una. Kasi syempre si Apple is best in
Mas
panic.
taranta.
Yes. Yes.
Wow, may
That's one.
dugo!
That's one. But it
Ayan.
doesn't necessarily mean na all women are like that.
Yeah.
There are some that are tough, that
Yeah.
they would step forward and, you know,
Like my Mars.
Yeah. Pero usually, the guys like, may iba nga dyan, nadapa. If you're into parenting 102, 101 kasi it's like you tend to your child eh. Parenting 102 is like, oh, wala yan.
Maliit lang yan.
Maliit lang yan. So, para sila masanay sa independent. Okay lang. It happens. Battle scars yan.
Hindi, okay
Pero
lang yun. Nabali lang yung kamay ko. Okay lang
Yun,
to.
siyempre, ibang usapan niya.
Okay lang.
No, but usually, the dads are the ones who tend to.
Yeah, depends on kung gaano kalala yung sugat.
Pag minimal, moms would take over because, okay lang, I'll kiss that.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kiss
Yung
the
may lambe,
bubu.
kiss the bubu. Pag mga grabe na like nabalian or
Duguan.
ng scar, yung ganyan, bumuka yung whatever, yun, dads talaga.
Rojon.
Feeling ko din super dad kasi kilala ko si Dan eh. Yun yung talagang sobrang concerned yan and matataranta siya eh. Baka mas lalong umiyak lang si Baby Joaquin. So if ever, ako talaga yung gagawa para mas ma-comfort ko siya, maalaga ako mabuti, magawa ko ng tama, palakas ko yung loob niya. So para sa akin, super dad talaga.
I guess it's really different for each household kasi sa household naman namin, si Drew kasi yung mas kabago.
Talaga
Okay.
Oo, yung nakikita niya nagre-wrestling na yung dalawa,
Okay.
yung mas pipiliin niyang wag manood
Manood.
kasi kinakabahan siya. Ako yung parang, sige! Parang ready ako. Ready ako na, yeah, someone's gonna get hurt. Ganun ako,
So Mars
but I
and
let
Pars
it
pala
happen.
talaga to.
But I let
Mars
it
and
happen.
Pars.
Pero si feeling ko Mars and Pars, depending na lang on how things are run in the household. Si
Yeah.
Drew kasi yung
Correct.
mas nakikita niya kung ano mangyayari at kinakabahan siya. And I think it's because he's a boy
Yeah.
and he's been through that. Like he's been injured because of his siblings. So siguro na foresee niya, natatakot siya
Na
for
mangyari
his children.
to one of them.
I think doon talaga pumapasok yung kasi there's super dad, super mom, super team.
Yeah.
It's like, may nadapa na nahiwa yung whatever, the dad would attend. The mom, instead of panicking, would call. Diba?
Yeah.
Sila naman yung calm na tatawag ng ambulance or tatawag ng emergency.
Or doctor or
Or doctor,
whoever.
or whatever.
Right.
Team yun. Tag team yun.